Nasaan si Ma'am Clara?
Noreen, have you decided? Are you gonna be the new CEO of Velma Beauty?
I want someone to replace Velma as the new CEO. And I want that someone to be you.
Ma'am, pwede ka bang malaman? Of all people, bakit ako? Does that mean naniniwala kayo sa akin?
Don't flatter yourself. You're just a pawn in a bigger war.
Sa'yo nang galing. Soon enough, I'll be able to call the shots. Tatanggapin ko yung offer. Only if papayag ka na maging partner ko. We will rule Velma Beauty together.
Ma'am, may bisita po kayo.
Oh,
Look who the cat let in.
a snake. Shari, ang kapal ng mukha mo para pumunta ka pa dito. Lumayas ka.
Oo. Tinatanggap ko ng maging CEO ng Velma Beauty. We'll go straight to the devil. Na kay Eddie Imperial mismo ang sagot. Papasukin natin ang laro niya.
That's perfect. Great news. Welcome.
Sa isang kondisyon.
And that is...
Miss Velma, may kailangan kayo marinig. Sigurado akong alam mo kung bakit ako pumasok sa Velma Beauty. Hindi ako naniniwalang suicide ang ikinamatay ng ate ko. At alam kong alam mo na hindi rin yun ang totoo. Kaya nagmamakaawa ako sa'yo. Tulungan mo ako. Para sa ikatatahimik nating lahat. Sabihin mo na sa akin ang totoong nangyari. Sa ginawa ni Velma sa ate ko.
You have no idea what you're talking about. I love my wife. I love Velma. End of discussion.
Sige na. Tulungan mo na ako. Hindi ako aalis dito. Babawiin ko na ang desisyon kong maging CEO ng kumpanyang to kung hindi mo ko tutulungan. Sige na. Desperado na ako.
What do you want from me? What do you want from me? You want the truth? Here's the truth. I loved your sister. I loved her. Iiwanan ko na ang sarili kong asawa eh. Your sister and I, we felt love. So, iiwanan ko na yung asawa ko si Velma. You know what Velma's like. As if ganun kadali yun. So hindi siya bumayag. Kasi na mapapayag siya na iwanan ko lang siya ng garang kalat, di ba? She threatened me, Noreen. Ano magagawa ko doon kung iwanan ko daw siya, papatayin niya si Helena? That's right. That's my wife. Velma is a monster.
So, si Velma Imperial ang totoong pumatay sa...
Ate Helena ko.
Yes. Siya yung pumatay sa kapatid mo. Words. But she did it. Lahat ng sinabi niyang gagawin niya, she did it. She's the one who pushed her to their death. She pushed her off. What am I supposed to do? She blackmailed me. Anong gagawin ko? Kung hindi ko daw siya tulungan na i-cover up yung pagkamatay ng kapatid mo, ako daw yung mabubulok sa kulungan. Don't you see? From the very beginning, I have been manipulated. Velma and I were... It's complicated. Okay, yung pagsasama namin dalawa, I am powerless. Okay, you and me, biktima lang tayo ni Velma and it has to stop. Okay, kailangan niya makulong. Naghihintay lang ako ng tamang pagkakataon. And thank God you're here. Seems to me the time is now.
Thank you for speaking your truth.
Sir Eddie, but I will need your help. Hindi ko to kakayanin mag-isa.
Gusto mo bang makawala sa kamay ni Velma?
Well, it's about time.
What's the plan? Hindi ito magiging madali para sa ating lahat. Kaya kailangan niyo akong pagkatiwalaan. First, kailangan mapaniwala natin ang lahat na magkaaway pa rin tayo. Second, tayo naman ang magiging magkalaban. That way, no one would think that we're all in this together.
Hindi nga ako part ng rebranding ng Velma Beauty? Well, apparently, kinoconsider ni Madam Clara na package deal kayo ni Miss Velma. So now that she's gone... Pero malaki ang contribution ko sa success ng Velma Beauty, Noreen. Ito ang first task na binigay sa akin ni Madam Clara bilang CEO. Ang tanggalin ng mga produkto na hindi na kailangan, and that includes you. Akala ko ba magkakampi tayo, Noreen? I'm the freaking CEO of this company. So yes, I only used you to my advantage.
Live in 3, 2, and 1.
The last few weeks have been the hardest of my life. But just like a phoenix, I rise from the ashes and come out stronger. Hindi ako basta-basta pwedeng itapon sa putikan ng mga gustong magpabagsak sa akin. And on that note, soon you are going to be receiving invitations to the Velma Ball. At kasama na dyan ang dalawang malalapit sa puso ko, my former proteges, Shari De Jesus and Noreen Alfonso.